हाँ, अगर आपको कुछ करना है तो त्रिपुरा को कैसा लगा, ये क्या लगा, ये सब कल के रैली में भी थी। हाँ, और कहाँ जाना चाहिए, यू कैन ऑल्सो एडवाइस देम।
वो आपका जो ट्वीट था या एक
हाँ,
फोटो
जो मेरा
आपने-
उसके बाद तो अरेस्ट हुआ ना वो पुलिस का, वो गुंडे लोग।
हाँ
हाँ, सो उसके बाद ये पहला बार इंडिया आया है और इतना खराब हम लोगों का इम्प्रेशन नहीं होना चाहिए। हमने बोला कि हम लोगों का ईस्ट में ऐसा नहीं होता है, हम लोग अलग हैं। तो इसके लिए तो आई वांट देम टू एटलीस्ट टेक सम गुड थिंग्स फ्रॉम हम लोग का नॉर्थ ईस्ट के बारे टू एंड त्रिपुरा के बारे टू।
It's been great up here.
Yeah.
These are all the medias.
Oh, really? Hi, I didn't expect.
I got any questions you can
I
ask.
should have dressed up more if I knew it.
So after you have came to India, right? Then now you have come to notice India. How do you feel in this in
It
Tripura?
feels like completely different, really. And I'm having more relaxed and chilling time. I landed in the first city was Shillong. Shillong was beautiful. And yesterday I arrived in Tripura and I joined the march yesterday.
Yes.
Oh, it was amazing. It was very beautiful. People looks like more. I feel like I'm from this.
And do you love our traditional dress of Tiprasa?
Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
I had the show
Risa.
yesterday. Yeah, Risa.
It-
I think I still have it. Yeah.
How do you feel that it's beautiful or what?
It's very beautiful, and we have a very similar culture in Korea as well. Here, sticky rice is also famous.
Yes.
I didn't try yet, but I heard there's like a sweet version of sticky rice and salty version. I really want to try that as well.
Have you tasted our traditional food?
Not yet. I just had a breakfast today.
Today we will give you some mustang.
Mustang.
Yeah, that's pork.
Ooh,
We'll give you some chakhui, and we'll give you some sticky rice, goria mirong. Once you have a traditional indigenous food, you will think about coming back over and over again.
Really? Maybe I
And we
should
will dress
move
you
here.
we'll dress you in a rignai, and we'll of course in a traditional dress,
Okay.
and you will look like a Tiprasa.
I know one more. Ham bai.
Hamba.
Ham bai. Maybe I should learn more how to say it.
Kulungka.
Kolongka.
Kulungka.
Kolongka. Kolongka. Kolongka.
But I hope you enjoy. So we are going to send her to Ma Tripura Sundari temple. Then she can go and see some of
Jampu Hill.
Mahal, Jampu Hills, Dumbur also, and let her see all our history, our culture. But more importantly, after जो इनको हुआ बॉम्बे में, मुझे लगा कि मैं इनको शिलोंग में बुलाऊं, उसके बाद मैं इनको अपने त्रिपुरा में बुलाऊं और उनको बोलो कि जो बॉम्बे में हुआ वो अलग है, हम लोग नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोग अलग हैं. वी आर वेरी नाइस, वी रिस्पेक्ट आवर वुमेन एंड वी वांट यू टू फील दैट दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर कंट्री. अतिथि देवो भव means hospitality here, and we would love to have you here. Did you like the rally yesterday?
Yes, I really loved it.
Only women.
I wanted to dance with them actually. They were having a dance. I love to dance.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.